Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer call recordings into Zoom AI Companion step by step clearly. Begin by accessing your phone's call recordings feature. Locate the specific call recording you want to transfer. Use the share or export function available in your phone's call recording app. Select the Zoom application from the list of available sharing options. If Zoom doesn't appear, you may need to download it from your App Store first. Ensure you are logged into your Zoom account. Once selected, confirm the transfer of the call recording to Zoom. After the transfer is complete, open the Zoom application. Navigate to the AI Companion feature within the app. Select the option to analyze new recordings. Locate the call recording you imported. Follow the prompts to allow the AI Companion to process the recording. Once analysis is complete, review the insights provided by the AI Companion. Utilize these insights for improved meeting notes or follow-up actions. Make sure to save any essential notes or highlights from the analysis. Regularly check for updates to both your phone's software and the Zoom app for optimal performance. Explore additional features in Zoom that can enhance your usage of call recordings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.